This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is art attack. Hello there, welcome to Art Attack, the big art show. Notice anything different? Tie? Tartan tie? In fact, this is the Buchanan tartan. Now, no, I'm not Scottish, but the Buchanans were a very famous Scottish clan, and this is their tartan. Now, if your family isn't related to a Scottish clan, then why not create your own tartan? It couldn't be easier. All you need, 3 felt tip pens, different sizes, different shapes, different colours. Place them onto your paper like that, so that all the tips are touching the paper at the same time. Put an elastic band or some sticky tape around them, and you get something that looks just like that. Now, I call this my homemade 3-in-1 pen. Then you need some coloured paper. Now, you can get loads of different coloured paper. I've got some here. I like to choose these nice, bright colours. So I'm going to take this yellow one here, and take a ruler, and simply draw, with your 3-in-1 pen, some stripes across. Now, there is a skill in this, you know. You have to make sure that all 3 tips of your 3-in-1 pen are pressing down on the paper at the same time. There it is. I'll do one more stripe there, just to show you what I'm doing. And then you simply turn your paper around the other way, and yeah, you probably guessed it by now. You go across the other way, just like that, again, pressing down on all 3 tips. Handy things, these 3-in-1 pens. So experiment with them, get some good effects with them. And there it is. Do one more, just to show you again. You've created your very own tartan. Of course, you can experiment with loads of different colours, and these should help you. How's about using some magic pens? Now, you've probably seen these. You can get these from stationery shops or from art shops. Now, with these, I've drawn 3 lines going in one direction with one colour, 3 lines going in the other direction in another colour, and then you take the master magic pen, and watch this. Through all the stripes you go, through the gaps, through the stripes, through the gaps, through the stripes, and the other way, stripes, gaps, and there it is. Hey presto, as if by magic, your tartan appears. And you can try loads of different colours. Again, I've drawn my name here, 2 different colours. With magic pens, send the master magic pen through them. And there it is. Guess you could call this the McNeil tartan. There's loads of different designs you can try. Bring this one in here. And we have go right through them there. Again with the master magic pen. Watch them change colour. We have the McChessboard tartan, or the McRainbow tartan, or the McNaughts and Crosses tartan. There they are, your very own tartan. And what do you do with them? Loads of things. For a start, you could back your school books or your exercise books. You could also make some bookmarks. Pretty nifty, that. Looks good. And then I've actually made my own tartan aeroplane. Watch this. Flying Scotsman.
It's the head again. So that's how you make yourself tartan. You tie a number of felt tip pens together, or you use one of those magic pens, then do whatever you want with your tartan. Make yourself a pair of trousers, skirt, badge, hat, bag, cuddly. Only, do use a bit of restraint, eh?